And the answer is your concept of yourself. Just going to make a little circle around that. What you believe and consent to is true about yourself and your world. What you believe and consent is true about yourself and your world. Hope you're thinking about that one. We went through that a couple of weeks ago when we went through consciousness. Here's a good test to prove this fact. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and observe the route your attention follows. What's your attention? It's your thoughts. It's where you put your focus. You'll observe that as long as you remain faithful to your assumption, so long will your attention be confronted with images clearly related to that assumption. Let's do the test right now. Close your eyes. It's too easy not to do this. I don't care if there's people around you that judge you. It doesn't matter. Okay? Close your eyes and listen to my words. Just mentally see everything I'm going to go through. Okay? We're going to assume that you have a wonderful business. It's kicking ass. Your business is not only kicking ass, it's crushing every week. You've just 10x'd your income in 60 days. You just had your first $20,000 day. How good does that feel? See it in your checking account. Log into your bank account right now. So go ahead and say it's Bank of America, Citizens Bank, whatever it is. Type it online in your imagination. Keep your eyes closed. Okay. Go ahead and log in. Here's your name, password. And when you check in there, you see your checking account, and it has 55 grand in it. That's nice. And then in your savings account, you have $450,000 in your savings account. Ooh, that's really good. Feels really good. So the checking account, 55 grand. You look down, your savings account's at $450,000. Keep your eyes closed. Keep it going. How good does that feel? That feels ease. It feels relieving. It feels nice. And actually, you have one account under that. That's your business savings. And that's at $950,000. It's almost at that $1 million mark. That's really good. Feel how good that would feel. Wow. You're helping people around the world. You have an excellent service. Everyone absolutely loves it. Your product is dynamite. And here's the last part to this. Keep your eyes closed. Keep feeling this. You're really good friends with Bob Proctor. You're just a shining example of the Ticket Results program. These laws, these words work for every person every time, and you're the one that actually applied them. And Bob brought you on stage, wanted to share your success story. Bob gave you a hug. And you actually get to call Bob whenever you want to, just to say hello. Okay. Now you can open up your eyes. How do you feel? That's all we did was deliberately, intentionally direct our attention to something magnificent. Now, maybe you don't want that. Maybe you don't want to be friends with Bob. Maybe you don't want to go on stage. Maybe you don't want that money. But you could tell, what did we do? We changed the concept in your imagination of what's possible for you. Maybe you've never thought about seeing in your mind $950,000 in a business savings account. If throughout the day you're worried about money, most of you are not, but just think about this example. If you're worried and doubtful about money, and that's where your thoughts are, you're worried and doubtful about money, what do you think the images are? What your bank account currently looks like. In imagination all day, whether you're closing your eyes or not, if you feel worried or doubtful about anything, in imagination, you are literally keeping an image of what you don't want on the screen of your mind.